On the forecast front, some showers.
Yes, we are dealing with some rain right now, mainly northwest of DFW. So Denton, I'm looking at you. Decatur also seeing some of that rain, and at times the rain is heavy, at times a few lightning strikes, but overall the severe weather threat today stays low. I'm not expecting severe weather today. We are going to see still these showers and thunderstorms continue to move to the northeast, mainly staying north of Interstate 20 and north of the Metroplex. I do think that cloud cover is going to stick around a little bit longer, and a few of us will see breaks in the clouds this afternoon, and that's what's going to allow the temperatures to climb into the 70s. But let's talk about the daily rain chances, because those do have a very low end severe weather threat. This is for Saturday specifically along our western counties, a marginal level 1 risk for up to quarter-size hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. Very isolated threat. This is not going to mean every thunderstorm that develops out there. No, this is going to be just the strongest of storms that develop this weekend. So the threat stays the same on Sunday. However, we're going to see a bigger coverage of this threat. So this is Sunday afternoon and evening, and you see that slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. Now includes areas of the I-35 corridor, and it includes Denton and Tarrant County towards the west, so pretty much west of I-35 and north of Interstate 20. The main concern stays the same. So let's talk about the timing. It stays cloudy today with a few breaks in the clouds. Tonight, I do think that it remains cloudy. I think most of us won't see the rain tonight, but we will see some areas of drizzle, maybe some mist early Saturday through about noon on Saturday, and then we'll see breaks in the clouds Saturday during the afternoon hours. But look at this. This is Saturday, 7 p.m. I do think this is when we see some of the highest coverage over the weekend. We'll see these thunderstorms develop towards the west, and they'll eventually kind of skim our northern counties here as we head into the overnight Saturday into Sunday. This is Sunday morning. Notice how that rain is still in the area. A few of us may wake up to some rain on Sunday. Sunday throughout the day, I do think that most of us will dry out. We may even see more break in the clouds. So notice how this rain comes in waves. We will see breaks. It's not going to be consistent. This is now Sunday at 4 p.m. You see some more isolated thunderstorms again west of I-35, north of Interstate 20. So we will be tracking this area very closely over the weekend. As we head into Sunday night, early Monday, it's looking like most of us should see some cloud cover. I'm not expecting rain at this point, but then comes our next round of potential storms Monday in the afternoon with a cold front. This does include a bigger part of North Texas under a slight risk. We'll know more here in the days to come. The same risk, quarter-size hail or up to quarter-size hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour with the strongest storms. This is actually being pushed along by a cold front. So Monday in the afternoon, you'll see that front moving in sometime in the afternoon, evening. You'll see that front, and along that front is where those showers and thunderstorms will really focus themselves between now and Tuesday, because that front could very well linger into very early Tuesday. I don't think most of us see rain most of the day Tuesday, just early on. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, higher rainfall across the Red River, and we are looking at really 1 to 2 inches of rain if you're south of Interstate 20. But I do think areas like Denton, Collin, Rockwall, maybe even northern Metroplex area will see 1 to 3 inches of rain between now and Tuesday. Highest coverage Saturday night and Monday afternoon. But look at what this does to our temperatures. We'll stay in the 70s through Monday, and we will drop into the 60s come middle parts of next week thanks to that front. It stays pretty unsettled here over the next week or so be sure to keep checking in with us every day. Dia?
All right, thanks for that, Marielle.